Always, always. I feel
So,
privileged because you've given me the chance
no, it's a
to.
privilege for all of us at Imami to open the show here post the pandemic and post
Absolutely.
so many multiple emotions, sentiments that we've been
Yeah,
seeing, and so many insecurities which we've been feeling. It's been very encouraging and
true.
gratifying for all of us to see all the artists come together to do such amazing work. And the show on the whole is what can I say, very soul soothing, if I may.
Yeah, it does. It
Because
puts a lot of sucker.
it
Yeah,
is. There is so much of reality, and time again, last 9 months, the only conversation we've been having is sustainability, growth, interdependability, and how we have taken advantage of what we have, what we don't have, and how much are we going to learn and keep the learning with us. So, fluid boundaries, somehow, I think, though the show was planned much before anyone even thought we would live through a pandemic or are still living through a pandemic, really came about. For me personally, it's very relevant to yesterday and today both. So it would be lovely to hear your opinion, your thoughts, your belief while choosing the artists for the show, while thinking how you really want to work around with the show. So
thank you so much for giving me the chance to handle a space as big as this, probably the biggest in South Asia right now. If you combine three countries, Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh, probably this is the biggest. And even if you travel to Europe and all that, a private gallery, a kind of unit having such a beautiful space and such a big space, such a huge, tremendous space, and to handle this, I had some stirring in the stomach, but I went ahead with it. I choose my artist. I choose my what should be the tenor that I should set, and for that I really am grateful and indebted to you, which I remain always. That if you given me the chance, I remain privileged for that. To have faith on me so that I'll be able to handle this space properly. And to begin with, having said all that, to begin with, my concern for the artist, I wanted to limit it to 3-4 group of people, and my concern was mainly to create a crucible of about our living reality, the kind of environment that we live in today, the socio-economic, the tropes of awareness. It's actually, I wanted to do a study in hermeneutics when I thought of the artist's work which would be showcased here. So I chosen them because each and every one of these artists that I've chosen here, that whose works are represented here, Richa ji, reacts to the tropes of awareness all around them, and they do it from a gut level. You know how they handle and how they address. There's so many issues right now at stake in our everyday reality. The story of migration, the story of politics, the story of power, the connection of power and knowledge. So I kind of, without knowingly or unknowingly, without they know what is theorizing such concerns, but I kept that in my mind that I should theoretically also kind of create a space which should delve into all these spaces. And that finally I've come here after all these trepidations and fear and all these insecurities that you have mentioned in all these past months. Even, I tell you very frankly, when the lockdown was clamped, even I thought whether I will survive, even I'll see the day, even I'll survive until November. So God willing that we are finally here and the finally show opens with such eclectic works, such magnificent works. It's like opening up the institution of art. You don't have typical paintings and sculptures. You have the cartage artist, you have installations, you have paintings, and also at the same time you have sculptures, which you may also term as sculpture installations. And they have done it with, they are so deft. They have that fineness. Absolutely. I'm so glad that you have loved it, and I think that even the cognoscenti, the Calcutta's, so alert and educated crowd, and the Indians have an impeccable taste today for arts and love for literature, for all this. I think people will enjoy the show and absorb as much as they can.
I'm sure. Thank you so much.